All right, hi guys, very welcome back to the channel. आज मेरे साथ है रिया. Riya is from SIOM, and you can call it her. You can call her as McKinsey girl because she has done her summer internship in McKinsey. So yeah, Riya, welcome on board. First of all, तो ये काफी ज़्यादा surprisingly shocking था कि SIOM के बच्चे are making it to McKinsey and company. It's a big deal. So I would love to understand your background, what you have done, and where you're from, and how did SIOM happen to you?
Okay, thank you so much for the welcome, sir. So I'm Ria, and I did my engineering from Pillai College of Engineering, and
Okay.
I did it in mechanical engineering. So post mechanical engineering, I had it in my mind that I want to do an MBA, but I wasn't sure in what exactly. So I did some research, and
Hmm.
I was looking for something related to supply chain. So I found out that there is a core supply chain operations management college in Maharashtra
Hmm.
itself,
Hmm.
and it is only strictly eligible for engineers. So
Right.
I found out that CIOM is academically rigorous, and plus it is a core niche supply chain and operations management college. So that is the only one college that I applied to post SNAP,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
luckily I did get into it. I graduated in 2023, and directly after that I came here to start
Oh,
my
you're a
MBA journey.
fresher.
Yes, I'm a fresher. Yeah.
So that's nice. So तुम्हें पता था कि मतलब SIOM में जाके then I'll be making it to McKinsey and Company because McKinsey is like it's a Fortune 500 company in the world and it's a bigger brand by the
Yes.
way. So
Yes.
कैसा था ये overall experience?
So the one thing that I was very excited about are the companies that come here to SIOM. So before coming here, I had seen the placement report on the website, and they had huge brand names coming here. And out of which, what I was attracted to was McKinsey and Company, which is one of the big three, MBB. So
Yeah.
yeah, so I geared up for the SIP season and fared well. And yes, fortunately, I got into McKinsey to do an internship of 2 months. That too, that in core supply chain domain. And yeah, so my project was also in supply chain excellence.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough. How was your experience in McKinsey? वो जो भी 2 महीने का internship रहा था. How was
हाँ,
it? ज़्यादा technical ना हो कि
it,
if you can give us a
हाँ,
background, because बहुत सारे बच्चों को वो idea आ जाएगा.
हाँ, yes, okay. So it was an amazing 2 months. I was in the Gurgaon office. Everyone was very friendly. They didn't treat me
Hmm.
like an intern. They were very inclusive, and the project that they gave was also on emerging technologies. So one was on supply planning, and the other one was Gen AI and the use of it in supply chain.
Oh, that is
So it
nice.
was amazing.
Hmm. So is it so tell me like I'm a non-engineer. I really don't have an idea, but what I've understood is, whatever work that they gave it to you, it's a good work, right? This is something which is
Yes.
upcoming, right? So
Yes.
how is this profile according to you? Like अगर कोई बच्चा SIOM में आता है, अगर वापस समर इंटर्नशिप के लिए अगर वो जाते हैं, maybe your juniors, gunning for McKinsey, how cool is this profile? Like how important is this profile?
I think this profile is amazing and great for starting your career in supply chain domain, because
Mm-hmm.
first of all, despite of being a fresher, uh, being a mechanical engineer, there are some good concepts, core concepts that we are taught, like whether it be warehouse or logistics or operations. And then I had those concepts, I took it forward here in this MBA journey, and we are taught several things like supply chain analytics, etc. So all these new things with
Mm-hmm.
theory, and all these new things that you get to learn about the emerging technologies, the latest things that are happening, you get to
Mm-hmm.
implement it. And I think that's how a strong profile is built. Also, it matters on which domain you want to go. So for me, I wanted to go in consulting, and luckily I did get
Mm-hmm.
into got
Right.
my profile aligned to consulting.
Perfect. Perfect. Now let's take this profile wala point little ahead. So a lot of students will be watching this video, and a lot of students are gunning for SIOM, or a lot of people are gunning for McKinsey. तो अगर कोई मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर होगा या फिर कोई बाकी टाइप का इंजीनियर होगा, तो अगर ड्रीम कंपनी है मैकेंसी, तो दे कैन टेक SIOM एज वन ऑफ द बी स्कूल जहां से वे मैकेंसी में जा सकते हैं. तो ठीक है, SIOM कैन बी अ वेरी गुड जरिया टू मेक इट टू मैकेंसी. बट टेल मी वन थिंग, यू हैव डन इंटर्नशिप वहां पे, राइट? सो प्रोफाइल पे ऐसी क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए, बच्चों के रेज्यूमे पे ऐसी क्या चीजें होनी चाहिए जो उनको हेल्प करेगी टू गेट इनटू कंपनीज लाइक मैकेंसी, बेन एंड कंपनी एंड BCG, अगर वो SIOM में आते हैं तो?
So, firstly, it's really dependent on your knowledge on supply chain because that's what the interview is solely on. They give case-based questions and scenarios. So you have to have your supply chain knowledge and operations management knowledge on point. And coming to profile, it really depends on also what they are looking for because some recruiters may want people with work ex, some recruiters may want people with less experience, and the work experience can be from IT, can be from manufacturing.
Any kind of certifications on resume or any kind of extra curricular on resume जो आपको लगता है कि नहीं यार ये मैकेंसी के लिए हेल्पफुल होता है? बिकॉज आई एम वेरी श्योर आपके साथ आपके पीयर ग्रुप भी रहेंगे, उनकी भी प्रोफाइल आपको पता होगी. सो मोटा मोटी हम भाप लेते हैं कि अगर आपके रिज्यूमे में ये वाली चीजें होगी ना, तो शायद से आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट आ जाएगा. कैन यू नेम अ फ्यू थिंग्स?
So I'll just name a few certifications that I had done. One being a certification in supply chain analytics,
Okay.
5 course certification. I did it from Coursera, which was on everything warehouse operations and procurement. It was
Okay.
a compilation of this. Another one is CII Pro, which I did not do, but it is a very renowned certification, which gives
Okay.
an added advantage.
यार हाउस द वर्क एनवायरनमेंट एट मैकेंसी? काफी रिग्रेस होता है या फिर चिल होता है? इंटर्नशिप के बारे में अगर हम बात करेंगे तो
For interns, it is pretty chill.
चिल.
But I've seen my mentors and the consultants there, senior consultants and experts. It's a bit hectic. However, they do find balance, and the office is very good. Um, there are weekly activities there that happen. There are CSR activities too, so it's pretty good there. For interns, for me especially, I think it was a really good time because the people that I got to work with. The main thing is the people that I got to work with. Everyone there is nice. Not just the people from manufacturing department, but even other departments and other teams. They were very nice and welcomed me,
Okay.
and I still have connections there. Like
Ah,
still
nice.
they talk to me. Yeah, so it's good.
Nice, nice. Let's talk a little bit about SIOM, right? इतनी अच्छी कंपनीज आती है कैंपस पे, बहुत सारी अच्छी कंपनीज कैंपस पे आती है, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे डोंट नो अबाउट SIOM, राइट? आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग माय लेवल बेस्ट कि मैं SIOM के बारे में मेरे फॉलोवर्स या फिर जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स है, जो बच्चे स्नैप एग्जाम देते हैं, उनको मैं थोड़ा अवेयर करूं कि यार है एक ऐसा बी स्कूल जो बहुत अच्छा है, जहाँ पे अच्छी अच्छी कंपनीज आती है. टेल मी समथिंग मोर अबाउट SIOM. हाउ इज द पीयर ग्रुप, हाउ इज द लर्निंग, ऑपरेशंस में क्यों इतना बड़ा नाम है SIOM का? मैंने सुना है बच्चा लोग बेबी एम छोड़ के भी SIOM आता है अगर किसी को ऑपरेशंस करना है तो. सो गिव मी a couple of bullet points that will help to understand that why SIOM is a bigger brand in operations management.
So SIOM, when you look up supply chain management and MBA or operations
Right.
management, the first thing will come is SIOM because it is the only core or niche uh, course that this college is giving. So there are two. One is operations management course, and the other one is agricultural operations management. Only two courses. Batch size is very small, and for operations management, only engineers are eligible. So the third thing is that it makes us very industry oriented and industry prepared. So if you have WorkX, whether you have WorkX or not, whether you are from manufacturing background or supply chain background or not, we have project based learning. We have experts coming here to college. They'll give us just a lot of projects to work on where we get hands-on experience. It's not just theoretical and everything. We have, how students go for industrial visits. For us, we go to check out some manufacturing process industry. nearby in Nashik, or else we went to Mumbai for JNPT port visit. So it's really like we get to see everything hands on. And another thing that a USP about SM I would like to mention is we have this project based learning program. So there's a committee that scouts projects and for us students, where we get to pick up a project on of a company, suppose a manufacturing company. They ask us that we have to make this company sustainable or to streamline their process. So we get to do it
Okay.
hands on. That can be extended. Suppose someone got an internship there, they can be it can be extended and then they can get placed there as well. So there is a batchmate of ours who's working in Philips. His
Okay.
internship got extended, and he can be placed in it as well.
Oh,
So
nice.
that's how it. Yeah,
Nice. And by
that's
the way, if I'm not wrong, you don't need a lot of, we don't need higher percentile in SNAP for SIOM. You don't need 99, 98, 97. I think cutoff is around about 80, 85 plus plus, right? So, any sort of tips you want to give it to the student, जिनका भी SNAP आने वाला है, because SNAP 22nd, I mean 22nd November is the last date. So, any piece of
right.
advice that you want to give it to the SNAP aspirant, maybe from SIOM perspective, or GEPI perspective, or SNAP preparation perspective.
So first thing is, the higher you score, the better
The better it is.
advantage you have to get a shortlist in GEPI process, your interview process. So it's best to score the highest. And second thing is, to for GEPI or the interview round, you have to be clear with whatever work ex you've had and why SIOM particularly, because
Right.
uh, they want to know why do you want to come into this niche college. Plus the batch size is also very small.
Yeah. Yeah. How what's the batch size, by the way?
It's around 130 to 140.
Acha, for operations management. Fantastic.
Yes.
Fantastic. Thank you so very much, Ria. Means a lot for giving some time, you know, out of your busy schedule. And guys, last but not the least, ये बहुत सारे बच्चों को नहीं पता है कि SIOM में, you know, big 3 कंपनीज आती है, big 4 भी आती है, by the way. तो अगर आपकी प्रोफाइल अच्छी है एंड अगर आपका ड्रीम है कि भाई मुझे मैकेंसी बेन में काम करना है, you can definitely go ahead with SIOM, and the example is right in front of you, by the way. So Ria, thank you so very much, and I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.